Hello, good morning. This is Manikant Reddy from IRE College, Section A from Cybersecurity branch. So today I'm coming with a video that about TikTok concept video. So in that concept video, just it's a subject for Python program. It's my topic is built-in methods and built-in functions. So my built-in methods are like all of or any of and boolean of and complex of and chr of and some of the ASCII of these are all topics they given to me. So today I want to explain clearly and make it clear to you. uh, okay. Okay, with your permission, I want to explain with PPT using PPT, so it is clear to you what I am saying. It's uh, make it clear to you. Okay, just I want to open that my PPT. Okay, instead of Aeronautical Engineering College, I have Dundigal में रहता. Uh, Computer Science and Engineering from Cybersecurity specialization, and this is a Tech Talk video. Subject is Python programming, and my topic is Python built-in methods like any of and all of and ASCII of and binary of and CHR of and Boolean of bool of and complex of. What actually all these methods, uh, what all these will do? These actually mean what is ASCII means what and CHR means what and bool means what. Actually, what is the useful for that and complex of is what. Uh, I will make it clear to you. This PPT was prepared by me. I know you know my name, Kaiti Manikant Reddy. This PPT is prepared by me only. My roll number was 22951 A6238 from section A. So just look at into this the topic and changing my slide. Okay, actually, what are Python functions actually? You all know, in mathematics, you all know functions, right? Functions. In Python also, there are some functions are there, but in mathematics, so many functions are there. Here, only three types of functions are there. There are three types of functions in a Python program language. Okay, how many functions in Python? Three functions are there. Okay, what are they actually? What are they? First one, built-in built-in functions and user defined functions and anonymous functions. These three functions are there. First word, built-in functions, and second word, user defined functions, and third, anonymous function. These three types of functions are there. Any normal functions are there. Okay, first our topic, built-in functions only. If time manages, I will explain user-defined functions and anonymous functions also. Okay, first we have to try to understand what is built-in functions. After this, user-defined functions and anonymous functions also make it clear. Okay, this is a main topic and important topic, built-in functions. It is why because it's um, no need to write a very lengthy code. It just already inbuilt the interpreters have written the code. We only give that method ask of this, ask of A, ask of B means what. Okay. In further slides, I will explain clearly what is ASCII, what is Boolean. Okay. Just you must remember all this. Just okay. No need to no need to uh, no need to just just understand what is going on. Okay. At the last, you also return explain to me. Okay. Just I want to explain that Python built-in functions. Okay. The built-in Python functions are predefined by Python interpreter, built-in already inside. They have written before code, before inside only they have written the code. Uh, that's why these functions are they predefined by the Python interpreter. By the Python interpreter, already predefined are there. There are 68 built-in functions, Python functions are there. These how many functions are there in Python? Three. What are they? Built-in functions, user-defined functions, and anonymous functions. In this, how many are there? 68 functions are there. 68 built-in functions are there. Okay. Just let's look into this. What happened to my computer? Okay. How many built-in Python functions are there? 68 are there. These functions perform a specific task and can be used in any program depending on requirement of user. Okay. These are all main perform specific tasks. Can be used in any program like in Python only. You can use any program depending on their requirement. Uh, if I want that uh, I want to give some list of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I want to know what is maximum in the list. What is the maximum number in the list? Okay. So here we will use that max of 1, 2, 3, 4. Print max is what for output was it 4. Okay. Just like if I want to use if else and elif that in that method, if I the code was very lengthy. Okay. Here uh, max function is there, no? It is more useful. Okay. uh, now what are the 68 built-in by Python functions? Okay, first one is apps off. Okay, next class method off. Next filter off and id off, max off, property off, str off, string off, all off, compile off, float off, and next one is input off. Next memory view off. Next range off, sum off, super off, the represent of, min of, int of, format of, next complex of, any of, here binary of, dictionary of, get a array of, is subclass of, object of, and round of, type of, hash of, set of, opt of, iter of, globals of, dir of, bool of, byte array of, dive mode of, hazard of, len of, open of, set at of, uh, underscore import underscore of, zip of, okay, slice of, order of, list of, hash of, enumerate of, and bytes of, collable of, eval of, help of, and locals of, power of, sorted of, static method of, print of, map of, hex of, excel of, chr of. These are all 68 built-in functions are there. Okay. In this today my topic was um, I want to annote my topic apps of next uh, all of, any of, ASCII of, binary of, boolean of, and chr of, and here ORD of, These are all these 2 to 6, 8, 9, 10, 10 functions I will explain clearly. Okay, just I want to erase all this. In further classes, all these functions we have to learn. Okay. Mm. Look at it more deeply. What happened? Okay. Python has set of built-in functions. Actually, just now in further in before slide we already saw that all 68 functions are there. No? That 68 functions, what is the useful for that? Why we use the apps function, all function, main function? What is the output will come? Okay. Now I will explain description of each function. Okay. First, I want to use this anode. Okay. Apps function. Apps function returns the absolute value of a number. Okay. Absolute value of a number. Okay. Absolute value of a number. Next, all of means what? Returns true if all items are iterable object are true. Returns if all items are true. If all items in iterable object returns true if all items in an iterable object are true. If iterable object are true, it prints true. If any one of the object is false in a iterable object, returns false. That's it. Any of returns true if any item in a iterable object is true. Means what? If any one of the iterable object is true, returns true only. Suppose uh, uh, four objects are there. In this, three objects are false and one object is true. True. So if any of function is used in that program, it will print true only because it if any one of the item in iterable object is true, returns true only. That's why if difference between all of and any of means what? If all items in a iterable object, all items means what? If I take four objects, uh, means what? Four objects will true. Uh, the output was true only. Okay. If any one of the output is false, if any one of the output is false, returns false only. Okay. Next, I hope you're understanding these three. And first, the fourth one is ASCII. Returns a readable version of an object. Replace non-ASCII character with escape character. Okay. I think this is more. Uh, I think you have to understand this. I will explain in code language. Um, just I want to tell about ASCII. In Americans they prepare a number. Okay, suppose I want to know the ASCII value of A, capital A. So Americans will specify some number. These are the method. Okay, binary of means what? Returns a binary version of a number. Returns a binary version of a number. Okay, bool of returns the bool value of a specified object. Okay, suppose if an object is false, bool of object means what? It's a output was false. Byte array returns array of bytes, and bytes of returns the bytes object. Okay, and callable of returns true if the specified object is callable, otherwise false. If the object is callable, returns true, otherwise false. CHR means what? Character. Returns a character from a specified Unicode. Specified Unicode. If I give any Unicode, CHR of Unicode means what? Returns a character. Suppose 68 is a Unicode. Means what? Ask a value 68. Uh, CHR of 68 means what? It will print A. That's it. class method, converts a method into class method, converts a method into class method. Class method of method is function is used to convert a method into class method, and compile of returns the specified source as an object ready to execute. Returns a returns the specified source and as object ready to be executed. Okay, these the compile functions are there. Okay, yes, I want to clear all this. Okay. Oh, next one. Next one is what? Complex of. Complex of returns a complex number. Okay. I will explain in code also. Returns a complex number and that's it. Suppose okay. Next, del address deletes the specified attribute, property or method from the specified object. Dictionary of returns a dictionary. Returns a dictionary. Suppose one list is there. In square brackets, we have to write a listener using square brackets. We are writing a list. Okay, in square brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 are elements. Suppose a variable name is list underscore 1 equal to square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. These 5 elements are there. Okay, I want to give dict of list underscore 1. It will print what 1, 2, 3, 4 only. It within the flower brackets. Okay. I hope you are understanding. Dir of means what? Returns a list of a specified object properties and methods. Returns a list of a specified objects, properties and methods. Okay. Die mod means what? Returns a quotient and reminder when argument 1 is divided by argument 2. Returns the quotient and reminder when argument 1 is divided by argument 2. It means what? If 5 by 10 is there. Sorry, 10 by 5 is there. Argument 1 is 10. Argument 2 is what? 5. Okay. Just I want to explain now. 10 by 5. Argument 1, argument 2. Okay. Die die mod. Die mod. What is the question? 5 to the 10. Remainder is what? 0. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 0. Okay. Die mod of 10 by 5. Die mod of 10 by 5. Quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. Okay. Next, enumerate and takes a collection, example tuple, and returns the enumerate object and evaluates and executes an expression. Exec of executes a specified code or object. Filter of use a filter function to exclude items in an iterable object. Float off returns a floating point number. I think you all know float off, right? Suppose input was 2. If I want that number into float, okay, it float off 2 means it will print 2.0. Okay, suppose the input was 3. That output float of 3 means what? 3.0. Okay, returns the floating point number. Okay, Just wait. I want to charge my computer. Please wait. Sorry for the late. Okay. Now, format says specified value. Okay. Frozen set returns a frozen set object, and get add returns the value of a specified attribute or property or method. Globals of returns the current global symbol. Table as a dictionary. Okay. Python built-in methods like any of. First topic is any of. Okay. The apps is one of the most popular Python built-in functions which return absolute value of a number. Here, a negative value of absolute is that value of positive. Okay. Apps of -7. It will bring 7 only. Apps of absolute means what? It will give. Suppose if I give a negative number, it will turn into positive number. The input was what? -7. Uh, I want positive number +7. So just uh, I'm using this apps function, and I'll print output apps of -7. It will give positive number. If I give a positive number, it will print positive number only. And here, second function, you may observe that apps of 7. Apps of 7. Output was what? 7 only. Here -7 input. Here output was what? 7 only. Nothing. It's just give positive number. If I give any negative number, it will print positive number only. Suppose if I give -16, output was 16 only. Suppose if I give -16.3, the output was 16.3 only, positive number. Negative, if I give any negative number, it will turn into positive number. If I give any positive number, it will turn into positive only. That's it. I think you may understand it. Okay. Next, all of. The all of function takes a container and an argument. Okay. The built-in function returns true if all values in a Python iterable have Boolean value of true. Okay. Uh, an empty value as a Boolean value is false. Empty value has a Boolean value is false. If I in the set, if I give any empty, it will print false only. Okay. First, we look at into the first example. All of set of uh, string star string. Okay. Wait, 5 minutes. Uh, the iterable values are different. So if iterable objects are all equal, it will print true. This one is a multiplication symbol and space. Uh, two are same, and another one is different. So it will print false. Okay, output was false. And here second example is what? Uh, all are three iterable objects are all are three. Three are same. You may observe that here one space, here space, here space. All three objects are same. So it will print true. That's it. Next, ASCII. ASCII means what? It is a important Python built-in functions. Return a printable representation of an Python object like a string or any Python list. Okay. If I give, uh, let's take a Romanian character. Romanian character is given here. and it's a separate unique code. It gives a unique code. Okay. Since this was a non-ASCII character in Python, the interpreter added black slash and escaped it using another black slash. Okay, USCR. This is not an ASCII character, so the interpreter used the black slash. That's it. Okay. Hmm. I hope you understand. I hope you understand it. Okay. Once look at all the PPT slides and just revise all the topics. 5 minutes. Hmm. Okay, thank you so much.